Hey guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we talked about types of IOC containers. So we have these two types. I mean it's not actually a type, but these are two different interfaces. Bean Factory is a root interface and application context is a child of Bean Factory. And Bean Factory provides some core features and application context provides all the features from Bean Factory. Of course it's a child, so it provides all the features provided by Bean Factory. Plus it also gives some more specific features specific to enterprise level projects. So in next image we will see the types. So if we talk about Bean factory interface, so what does it do? It provides some central IOC core classes. So and it provides basic functionalities like creating Bean dependency injection. And since it's interface, so there are multiple implementation of it we can use in our application. So we will see them through our example, but for now let's focus the names. So there are two mostly used implementer for this interface is XML Bean Factory, and sometimes we use file system resource. We are most likely we are going to use file system resource in our application, but definitely it's not a way to use more convenient way to use this Bean Factory. But definitely for example we will use this Bean Factory. So concrete implementation for this interface is file system resource, but yeah, sometimes XML Bean Factory can be used. And what does it do? It provides some basic functionalities. But if we go right side, so we have application context interface. So it extends feature of Bean Factory container. Definitely it's a child, so it definitely fetches all the features. Plus it provides some more functionalities apart from creating Bean and dependent injection like AOP, aspect oriented programming. We will discuss about this in more detail, what is that and how Spring works on it. But for now, AOP is one of the feature provided by application context plus message sourcing. Like for now, we will implement this message sourcing by reading some contents from the properties file. So we will create a dot properties file and then we will try to content from this properties file. Next, I18N. It stands for internationalization. That means you must have seen some videos or some sites so which allows you to convert their text in multiple languages. How it's possible? Yep, application context provide that feature so you can convert language to that particular site as per the region where the site is deployed. So accordingly you can change its language, so you can use some features from application context. When it comes to its implementation, so there are like multiple classes we have here. We have like I have mentioned in three files, so we can use these files for now. So class path XML application context, that's a mostly used class which uses src main resources location. There you can create a Spring configuration file and read it. Otherwise, you can use file system XML application context class, which reads from the file, directory. We will see that as well, and then application. So definitely not now, but mostly used implementations are class path or file system resource XML files. So this is just an intro of how Bean Factory and application context are different. They are not actually different. It's just a add-on features provided by application context. So in next example, in next video, we will see everything in a programmatic way. So that's all we need to create our base inside Spring Core framework. Now we have a solid base. If still you are struggling to understand, try to like go through all the previous videos and check out what they are doing. If it's not clear, mention you are in a chat box or comment section. Let's meet next video. Bye bye.